Today my topic is Laplace transform, which is a part of Applied Mathematics 3 for second year students ENTC and ETRX branch. Motivation behind the Laplace transform. The Laplace transform is widely used integral transform in mathematics with many applications in science and engineering. In mathematics, the Laplace transform, named after its inventor, great mathematician Pierre-Simon Laplace, is an integral transform which convert a function of a real variable into a function of a complex variable. The transform has many applications in science and engineering because it is a tool for solving differential equation. The concept of Laplace transforms are applied in the area of science and technology such as electric circuit analysis, communication engineering, control engineering, and nuclear physics. Application of Laplace transform. Solve differential equation both ordinary and partial. Application to RLC circuit analysis. Laplace transform converts differential equation in the time domain to algebraic equation in the frequency domain. Thus, three important processes are there. First, transformation from the time to frequency domain. Manipulate the algebraic equation to form a solution. Inverse transformation from the frequency to time domain. Importance of Laplace transform in different engineering fields. Analysis of electronic circuit. Laplace transform is widely used by electronics engineers to solve quickly differential equation occurring in the analysis of electronic circuits. System modeling. Laplace transform is used to simplify calculation in the system modeling where large number of differential equations are used. Digital signal processing. One cannot imagine digital signal process problems without applying the Laplace transform. Nuclear physics. In order to get the true form of radioactive decay, a Laplace transform is used. It makes easy to study analytic part of nuclear physics possible. Process control. Laplace transform is used for process control. It helps to analyze the variable when altered, produce desired manipulations in the result. Thank you so